Bakit dinaraya ang egg sandwich sa Baguio? Well, don't you worry, cause I got you, ka-foodies. Welcome to Baguio. Dito lang yan sa Nueva Vizcaya. So, from Bagabag, nag-travel kami papunta sa Baguio. This is the entrance. And this is their food stall. What's really great sa food stall nila is that yung menu selection nila ay simple lang. So you just have 2 rice meals, egg sandwich, kapeng barako, and pansit canton. Yes, you got it right. Meron silang mo pansit canton. And this is the view dun sa kabilang side. And this is their cafe. Aside sa nakikita niyong mga souvenir items and then coffee, meron din silang mga food for tourists, kagaya ng kapeng barako, and you have that smoky. It's worth 150, and also the coffee. Yung kapeng barako, it's 30 pesos. Egg sandwich, akala namin solo order lang yun. 30 pesos lang din yung egg sandwich. Kahit hot yung kapeng barako, parang ako, char, uy, madali siyang lumamig, parang siya, kasi sobrang lamig talaga. That's why siguro it's called Baguio. And yan yung view, diba? Gandang dinarayos, eh!
Wala nga dito sa atin lang masyadong commercialized.
Yes, 30 pesos and good for tuna. Hindi siya ordinaryong egg sandwich kasi lightly toasted yung labas. Kita niyo naman, crispy kinig, and then it has margarine on it. Yun lang yung difference.
Sarap na? Kahit simple lang siya.
Fast forward na tayo sa view, mga ka-foodies. Ito yung gandang dinarayo. Shara! Shout out to my ex, Charis. Ito talaga yung bida, yung kapeng barako na 30 pesos. And this is the view. Sobrang lamig. Parang siya.
Sa baba. May fog din
At ito naman yung view sa kabilang side for the sunset naman, mga person. Sobrang ganda. That state of nothingness is a luxury. And we went back to Bagabag. So, tayo, 3 bayan yata yun. And ganito na nung malapit na kami dun sa accommodation namin. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. That will be all.